Calvary Cemetery. They don't use it anymore though. When I was younger, they used to bury people there, but they stopped using it. This is where I was raised. Over here. I grew up going up these stairs. At one time, these stairs seemed so big, but now they're so small. It's just raining. To close off the line. My mom right here. Always miserable. This is the room I grew up in. Yeah, this is where I grew up. Did a little bit of restoration though, so it's more comfortable. Bob's Burger.
Easy, Mickey, calm down. Let me out of here. Women and children should be released. You're not a woman. You're not getting over the money. You have to accept that. Just don't take Rodney. You gotta stop thinking about Rodney, all right? You robbed this bank. So you need to decide how this ends. Not how Rodney would do it. It's how Mickey would do it. Do the Mickey plan.